A story that has been garnering a lot of interest on social media over the last few days is how a company called the Great Indian Nautanki Company has basically created NPAs worth 150 crores with 3 major banks. Now, if you're amused with the name of the company, the Great Indian Nautanki Company, just listen to the name of the corporate guarantor for this company. They are called the Great Indian Tamasha Company. Now, together, both of these companies have not paid these 3 prominent banks nearly 150 crore rupees. These banks are IDBI Bank, HDFC Bank and Bank of Baroda. Now, as you can imagine, the amusement has been because of the names. Who has the name of a company like the Great Indian Nautanki Company? So what is this Nautanki and Tamasha going on as far as NPAs are concerned? The story came to light after IDBI Bank put out a statement saying that they are auctioning some of the land of these companies to recover their loans. But what is the actual story? Now, the Great Indian Nautanki Company is a company which was incorporated for the entertainment business, and the Great Indian Tamasha Company was one of the corporate guarantors. Wizcraft is the other guarantor in this case. A lot of people have been asking, so what if these companies have strange names? It's not against the law to have an unusual sounding name and thus raise suspicion. Others have been asking, wasn't this a dead giveaway? If you have companies named Nautanki and Tamasha, couldn't you guess that they'll turn into NPAs? Well, keeping all of those jokes aside, this story does raise important questions about the due diligence which has taken place by these banks, and not because of the strange sounding names, but because of the fact that for the Great Indian Tamasha Company, for example, its authorized capital is about 2 crore rupees, but its paid up capital is just about 2 lakh rupees. It's a similar case with the other company, the Great Indian Nautanki Company. Its authorized capital runs into crores, while its paid up capital is a mere 15-16 lakh rupees. So didn't this give red flags, or didn't this raise red flags with the bankers? Now, the other question is, did these companies which are in the entertainment business, as they claim to be, did they actually get sunk because of COVID-19 when on-ground events couldn't take place? Well, the NPAs were created much before COVID-19, so that excuse is also out of the system. But perhaps the only good part coming out of this story is that since then, since these instances, the whole system of identifying bad loans and fixing responsibility of cleaning up balance sheets, as well as putting specific time limits to when you name companies or corporates as willful defaulters has tightened quite a bit. Hopefully, in the future, there won't be any such Nautanki or Tamasha when it comes to NPAs.